Hi friends, how are you all? I think everyone is doing well. It's a long time. I am not keeping any videos in my channel because due to very busy schedule, I can't keep the videos in my channel. Uh, and there is one important reason also. I changed my vehicle from standard Royal Enfield Standard 350 to Himalayan, and that vehicle is very nice. Standard vehicle is very nice, that's not a problem, but I am not satisfied with the what you say the suspension of the standard. I changed my vehicle to Himalayan because Himalayan is the best vehicle in India. I think in India, in this range, the suspension is ultimate. So I changed the vehicle to Himalayan. Moreover, I am getting more power in terms of torque and engine power, 412 cc, I think. Uh, so coming to the point, today I want to demonstrate the installation of the SimTag hazard system. And everyone knows what is the importance of the hazard system nowadays, because it will be helpful in the night times, in the snow and in the fog, and moreover mainly in the rain. Um, so it's other system. I also, because mine is BS4. Earlier BS3 vehicles have inbuilt hazard system, but in BS4 there is no inbuilt hazard system. So I was searching for the better hazard system for Himalayan, and I found that SimTag is a plug and play, because we have so many hazard systems in the market. But what is the problem is that we have to cut the wires and we have to attach with the indicator system. But it can damage the wiring in the future. So we should be what you say, if it will be a plug and play system, it will be fine. So I found the SimTag. I searched so many internet sites and for the better hazard system. So SimTag is the best. I think it will work fine because the so many people are using this and they give better reviews on this. So today I want to unpack this SimTag hazard system, and it's for the Royal Enfield model, Himalayan model, for especially it's a plug and play. You can see here, or where I can show you. This is the model for RE Himalayan PNP, and you can there is different hazard system for a standard vehicle and classic vehicles. Every vehicle has its different model number, and they are making very good quality, and moreover it is made in India product. So we should encourage the Indian products. Moreover, it's very reliable product and it is getting 1 year warranty. So unconditional warranty, they will replace immediately and they will send to you our address if any defect on the piece should not damage. And one more thing, this is the LED bulbs, because the stock bulbs are also fine, but by this LED, if we install these LED bulbs, we can what you say, we can get ultimate result, because so many people already installed. I can't say all this, but let us install this. I want to, and one more thing, I am seeing so many videos in the YouTube only installation process, but everyone is installing from outside without removing tank. But I will not recommend that, because the wiring is very short, so that we should remove the Himalayan tank, and it's very easy to remove the Himalayan tank. But there will be a connections, two important connections from the fuel pump and the sensor. We should remove that carefully, otherwise it's a plastic part and it can break. If it break, it will be a huge loss. So we can remove easily and we can install this. I will clearly show that how to remove that, what you say, the plugs, and it's very easy to install. And let's first we will unpack this SimTag hazard system, and what we will see what is there inside. Later we will install on the vehicle, and so let's, so friends, let's unpack this now. And let's see what is there inside. And I think there will be a, yeah, it's a warranty card. As I said earlier, it comes with 1 year warranty, unconditional warranty, and we have the model number and purchase date, order number on this, and our product model number. Okay, that's, and this is the plug and play unit. You can see this plug and play module. It's a PNP, and you can see that the symbol made in India. It's very proud that Indian products are making. And this is the plug and play system. And this is the, we have to connect to the plugs of the indicators, and I will show that clearly. And this is the switch. We have to connect this to the switch, and they will provide a switch also with this. And this is the on off switch. This is the on off switch. And I think this switch also, if this switch also fails, we can find the additional switch in their site only, Simtac site. I saw that, and it's around 150 rupees. Um and I forgot to say the price of the unit. I got this price around 1200 rupees something. Its MRP is, I think, the MRP of the product is around 1899, but they will give a discount, and we can get what you say, around 1100 1200 rupees. And this is the strap they will provide, because we should tie this module to, with this to the, what you say, the chassis of the vehicle, so that it will not look outside. And one more thing, let us unpack the, what you say, LED system, LED lights. As I said, 4 LED lights I purchased with this product, and it's around 600 rupees. And it is also having 1 year warranty. So let's unpack that also. Yeah, let's keep this aside. And now this is the LED, what you say, ambient, and its model number you can see here. Its MRP is 1199, but we can get around 600 rupees. And they will provide the home delivery with free of cost. And it is also very quick delivery they are giving. So you should check this model. This is Ampere model, and we can get white light also, but I think Ampere model is very good, because our light is, my light indicator light is yellow, almost yellow color. And it is amber straight pin. Some vehicles, I think in R15 or some other vehicles, the pins are different. So mm, so let's remove this, what you say, the lights, what are there inside. Yeah, you can see this, you can see this, these 4 lights, and every light has 1 year warranty. mm, and I will show this packing also very nice, because you see the quality. You will find Simtac symbol on this light also, and it is a straight pin. And we can directly install this in the indicators. Firstly, we will install this on the vehicle, and we will check every light is working. For among these 4 lights should work. Later, we will install this hazard system, and let's go and install. I will say clearly how to install.